Welcome to today's video with CNIB Smart Life. In this video, we will look at the process for creating a folder or file in your Documents folder or any other location on your computer. For today's purpose, we will choose to create this in the Documents folder. So the first step we will do is to make sure we're on the desktop. We'll press the JAWS key with the letter T.
Title is Desktop 1.
When we're on the desktop, since we've created a Documents shortcut, we'll press the letter D.
D. Folder View List View. Downloads dash
Press D until we hear Documents.
D. Documents dash
And press Enter.
Enter. Documents. Items View Multi-Select List Box. Not selected Custom Office Templates. File folder.
So here it told me Custom Office Templates is not selected. First thing that I will make sure that I'm doing is if I'm accessing the context menu anywhere, I want to make sure I access the correct context menu. As we previously looked at, we're able to ensure something is not selected so that we can access the properties or the context menu of the container folder using the control space command. So here it already says not selected, but if I happen to not notice, I can repeat using the insert tab or the JAWS key with the tab key.
Not selected Custom Office Templates.
And if I happen to just down arrow by mistake,
Excel Training.
I can unselect using the control space
Control
command.
space. Not selected. Excel Training.
Note that the control space command is a toggle key. So it will unselect and then reselect. So in this case, we want to open the context menu for the container folder, in this case, the Documents folder, rather than whatever item JAWS is announcing. So that's why we wanted to make sure it's not selected. Then we're going to press Shift F10 to open the context menu.
Shift F10. View submenu. 1 of 8.
And then from here, we're going to press the up arrow.
Show more options. Open in terminal. Properties all. New submenu.
When we hear new, we can press the right arrow or the enter.
Shortcut.
And then it did not announce, but the first
Folder.
option
1 of
was folder, 1 of 9. So I press down arrow, then up arrow. And then I can press enter here.
Leaving menus. Edit. New folder.
And then from here, I will simply give the folder a name. It said edit, so I'll press
FIRSTRREE.
First folder example. Once I'm done, I'll press enter.
Items View Multi-Select List Box. New folder. File folder. 8 of 8. To move to an item, press the arrow keys. First folder example. 8 of 8.
So here it said new folder initially. When it caught up, it told us that it's been relabeled as first folder example. The great thing about folders is we're able to nest them one within the other. We could put one next to the other. And this is not the first and only way to create a folder. There are other ways. So we're going to look at yet even a quicker way to create a folder. And this is using a Windows command. So another way to create a folder, instead of having to go through the context menu and create it that way, we're able to, in fact, use a keyboard shortcut. Now that I'm in the Documents folder, I can create another folder within the Documents folder using the Control Shift and the letter N.
Control Shift N. Edit. New folder. Type in text.
And it just created a folder. It said type in text. So I'll go ahead and call it
SECONTLOLDE.
Second folder example and press enter. So now if I press the home key to go to the top.
Home. Custom Office.
And then down arrow.
Downloaded installations. Excel Training. Feedback Hub. Example.xlsx. Test2.xls. Testing.xlsx. First folder example. 8 of 9.
I have first folder example.
Second folder example. 9 of 9.
And second folder example. I can open up the second
Enter.
folder example.
Second folder example.
And then here I can create a subfolder using the quick shortcut Control-Shift-N.
Control-Shift-N. Edit. Type N-E-S-T-E-D space F-O-L-D-E-R.
And I'll call it nested folder. Press
Enter.
enter.
Items view multi-select list box. New folder. File folder. 1 of 1. To move to an item, press the arrow keys. Nested F folder. 1 of 1.
So here it had a typo. I will rename it. I'll press F2.
F folder. O F space F O L.
So the O was capitalized based on the pitch.
O.
I'll erase the O,
O.
and then put in a O that's not capitalized.
Enter.
And press
Items
enter.
view multi-select list box. Nested folder.
There we go. This is 2 ways that you're able to create folders anywhere on your computer using these 2 methods so that you can organize your files and folders as you need. Thank you for watching today's video with CNIB Smart Life.